What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be working on the 240 again, and we're actually going to be doing some wiring. I've noticed there's a couple of things on the passenger side harness that isn't that great that needs to be patched, and I also got a bunch of fuses, so I just figured why not throw some fuses at it and see if I can fix the wiring what I can, just so I could just maybe figure out this ignition stuff so I don't have to get a wire harness. So let's dive into it. Alright, so some of the fuses I'm going to replace, I got a couple of these from like AutoZone, and there's a couple, well, 1, 2, 3 that are missing. Well, not missing, but these don't look right. So I'm going to switch these out and then I'm going to go into the inside of the car, and I'm actually going to be taking all the fuses out, and basically I got all of these to replace them. So let's see if it works. And another thing I'm going to do is actually clean all the grounds off. There's a ground here, and there's one on the intake manifold. I'm just gonna basically look at all the wiring and everything and make sure that all the grounds, they're cleaned, they're good to go and everything, so hopefully this works. And I did some of the wiring already. I know you guys really didn't want to see that. It's kind of boring and it sucks. There was only like a couple of like wires, but hopefully this fixes the problem. If not, next thing I'm gonna go to is all the relays, so hopefully it's not the relays. Alright, so moment of truth. Change out all the fuses, changed out, I cleaned up all the grounds and everything, so let's see if this fixes my problem. So this is the problem I'm having. The keys out of the ignition, and it's still running. So I have to see exactly if it's a relay that's sticking or whatnot. Alright guys, so I don't know what I did, but honestly I'm happy. Hopefully it does it. Alright, so turning the car on. Oh my god. It's fixed. That is awesome. That, I don't know what I did. All I know is it's fixed, and I can't be more than happy. So give this video a big thumbs up because the car's fixed. Hopefully it doesn't come back. Let's hope not. So I'm glad to finally leave off on a good note. So hope you guys liked this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day.